Good morning all, welcome back. Our today's class is based on the particular topic. Just read the topic. It is how to update or modify records in a table. Right? Here on that side of the board, you can see one table is created. This is the table and name of the table is ABC. Clear? Now, if you want to create the same table in your computer, you just use create table command of MySQL. Right? With the help of create table command, we can create a table structure only. And on the other side, if you want to store, if you want to enter these records inside the table, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to store these records inside the table, you can use insert into command of MySQL. Clear? Now, just remember the point that what is there in insert into command. If I want to insert a new record inside the table, my new entered record should be attached at the bottom of the table here, right? And if I want to store, if I want to enter a record, my command is, just recap the command, it is insert into and. Just after the command, here it is the command of MySQL, insert space into. After the command, you just write the table name. Here, check it out. The table name is ABC. So I write ABC over here. Clear? The first line, insert into ABC. In the second line, values. It is in the plural form, values. After the values, now I am going to give the value according to the sequence order that is there in the table. Sequence order means the first value should store in the roll number column, the second value go inside the name column, then percentage, then DOB, then gender. So here sequencing is important. Right? Now, if I want to enter a digit in the first column, I just write this one 1500. It is a roll number of the student. So, without inverted comma, digit can be inserted directly. Then, comma. Now, after this comma, I should give the value to the second column of this table, name. So, name is a group of alphabet. It is a character type value. And for giving any character type value, we should enclose the value by using either single inverted comma or double inverted comma. So, I want to store Rahul name in the second column. I just write single inverted comma, then Rahul, the full name, then this inverted comma close. Here, it is an option. I can use either single inverted comma or I can use double inverted comma. Right? Now again that comma, percentage, suppose the percentage of that student is 74.6. Then comma, here. Now I have to give date of birth, means a date format or a date value. It is also written inside the inverted comma only, right? So if I want to store date, I just use this single inverted comma. Now a valid date. What is valid date? Just check it out. Valid date means SQL apply a specific date format. What is that in the date format? The first part you have to write year, y in 4 digits, then just dash. Just after year we have to write month in 2 digits, and then after this month we just write date in 2 digits. It is the valid MySQL format to store the date. Clear? So just check it. 4 digit year, here it is 4 digit year, then dash, month in 2 digits. So 3 should be written as 03, then dash 21. So it is the proper use, proper updation to store the date value. Clear? Now, date value should enclose with this inverted comma. Just see it. Right? Then after that, comma, and the last column contains this gender, male or female. So here I write this Rahul, he is male. This one, and at the last I use this semicolon. Clear? So, with the help of insert into command, we can insert these records inside the table. Clear? But our today's topic is not related with insert into. We have covered this insert into topic along back. Our today's topic is how to update or modify records. Now, first understand what do you mean by updation or what do you mean by modification. Right? Here, if you see the table, ABC table, yes, very first thing, if you want to get out of marks in MySQL, once you see the table, try to find out, try to calculate the degree of the table then and there. What is the degree of this table? Degree means total number of columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Degree of this table is 5. Cardinality, the second point. Cardinality means total number of records or tuples that are there inside the table. So the very first record, Amit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cardinality of this table is 6. जैसे table देखो at that time only. Just try to find out, just try to filter the degree, just try to filter the cardinality, and even if you have some time, just try to find what is the data types of different columns. Here, roll number, integer, not decimal value, name, character, or you can use var character according to MySQL, percentage, float, DOB, date format, gender, character 1. Here the width of this column is 1 and the column is related with character or var character. Clear? Now, this is the insert into command. Now, we talk about how to update the particular record. What is the meaning of updation or what is the meaning of modification? Suppose I want to change percentage of the first record. Here the first record Amit percentage is 78.5 and I want to change the percentage as 80.5, right? It is known as updation in a record or modification in a record. On the other side, Vikas date of birth is changed now. So if I want to change the date of birth of Vikas, I just modify the table, I just update the record, right? This table is there in MySQL. It is not there in Excel. If the table is there in Microsoft Excel, तो कोई भी record change करने के लिए what we can do? We just go to the particular cell, click on the cell, remove the previous content and type the new content. It we can do in Microsoft Excel, but the table is not in Excel. Table is in MySQL, and MySQL supports what? TUI, text user interface. Here no graphics. Here no use of mouse. If you want to do something on the table, you just type the particular command for the particular effect. Clear? So TUI, so we have to write the command if we want to change anything in the record. Clear? Now what is the command? Yeah, by which command we can update the record, we can modify the record. The command is update. UPDATE, it is the command. Then space, just after update command, you write the name of the table. Here, table name should be there after the update command. Here in that block, you just write the table name. Now, the second line of this command, it is set. With the set command, you just write the particular column name in which you want to change the value. Right? So, here set. Column 1 equal to value 1. What particular value you want to update in that column? So column 1 equal to value 1. Yes, you can update or modify multiple columns also with the same command. So if you want to change something in column number 2 also, then column 2 value 2 and dot dot dot. Right? Then at the last we use where with a specific condition. It is the syntax, it is the format of update command by which you can update a particular record. Now just take one example. I am going to remove these things from the board. Just take one example how you can update the record. Suppose we want to change percentage of Purva, right? The third record is related with Purva and right now the percentage is 93.0. Clear? I want to update the percentage as 95.0 instead of 93.0. Clear? So what will be the command? Command is update. Just after update you have to write the table name. Table name is ABC. So update ABC. Clear? In the next line set. Now try to find out in which particular column I want to make a change. I want to update the value. Percentage change करना है 93 की जगह 95 करना है. It is there in the percentage column. Clear? So with the set command, you just write set PER equal to the new value, the rectified value 95.0. Done. It is 95.0, the new value that we want to update inside the column. And at the third line, where. With the where, just give a filter condition to filter the record of Purva. Just check. Roll number of Purva is 1400. So I write the command where RNO equal to 1400. Done. By this command, very first, computer filter the record that is related with roll number 1400. This particular record is going to filter by the computer. Clear? Now, in this record, computer goes towards the percentage column, remove the previous value and insert, update the new value over here. So 93.0, it is removed from the table and now the new value 95.0, it is updated with the Purva record. Clear? Now, what will happen if I remove this where command? What will happen now? Just try to understand what will happen. If I remove the where command, where is removed? It means the whole table, overall records of the table, this effect goes towards the each and every record of the table. जैसे where हटाया, अभी कंप्यूटर को तो मालूम नहीं कि भाई किसकी परसेंटेज 95.0 करनी है, कंप्यूटर करेगा क्या? कंप्यूटर चेंज ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट परसेंटेज, सारी जितनी भी परसेंटेज है एवरीवेयर कंप्यूटर पुट 95.0 95.0 95.0, राइट? सो वेयर इज इंपॉर्टेंट ओवर हियर. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. इफ आई वांट टू change date of birth, this is the date of birth column. If I want to change date of birth of Sahil, what I can do? What is the command for that? Now the next command is update table name, it is ABC. In the next line set. Now here in the here write the particular column name where you want to create, where you want to update the value. I want to update in date of birth column. So set DOB equal to, now a new date of birth, suppose I want to write here 2006 0101. It is the new date of birth of that particular person. Clear? In the second line, column name and the value that we want to reflect in that particular column. Done. Now how to filter the record of Sahil? We are going to change the date of birth of Sahil, so we have to filter the record of Sahil. कैसे filter करें? Either you can filter the record by using the roll number of Sahil, or you can filter the record by using name of this particular person. Here my command, my condition is where either I can use RNO equal to, what is the roll number of Sahil? It is 1405. Either I can use this command. So automatically computer filter this specific record only, केवल साहिल की परसेंटेज में जाके चेंज होगा. या दूसरा ऑप्शन, the second option is either I can use this, I can filter the command by using name equal to SAHIL. I can write this command also. Both the commands are right. Either you can filter the record by using roll number, you can filter the record by using name. Clear on? So it is the update command of MySQL. Now one more thing, if you want to make modification in two different columns, what will be the command? Two different columns means what? Now just check it out. I want to update the percentage of Vikas 82.6. Instead of 82.6, I want to change the percentage as 91.8, and here I want to make updation in the date of birth also. Here I just modify the date of birth as this one, right? So two modification, I can do two different type of modification in the same record. For that the command is this one, update space name of the table, it is ABC. ABC is the name of the table. Now set first modification, it is in the percentage column. So set PER equal to, the rectified percentage is 91.8. Then you just use comma, right? Then after comma, date of birth. The second column is DOB equal to, now just write the new date of birth. It is 2006 dash 01 dash 02. Done? Two different columns. Name of these two different columns are there in with the command. When new values of that column are there with the command. Now at the last, where filter the record of विकास. अगर ये where नहीं लगाओगे क्या होगा चेक करना. नहीं लगाते हो पूरी टेबल में जितने भी रिकॉर्डिंग each and every record you see percentage is 91.8 for each and every student. You see the date of birth is same throughout the column. So where is important. So where, with the help of where, we can filter the record of Vikas. So I am using where name equal to VIKASH Vikas, and at the last I just put semicolon. Clear? So it is the advanced format of this update command. Clear all? Now the next topic is how to remove or delete records from the table. It is our next topic, very small topic. How to remove the table create करनी सीखी with the help of create table command. If you want to insert record, only one command, that is insert into. If you want to modify in a particular record, the command is update or set. तो बचा है क्या? Insert हो गया, modification हो गया. Now the last one, how to delete the particular record, right? So if you want to delete the record, the command is delete from. And here just write the table name. My table name is ABC, so just I write ABC. If I execute this command delete from ABC without where, क्या होगा? Where is not there in the command. Delete from ABC means what? All the records that are there inside the table, all the records are deleted from the computer, right? And you cannot recover these records also. Clear? So delete from ABC to remove all the records. Remove all the records. Done. Next one. If I want to remove some selected records only, then what is the command? Command is delete from ABC, the table name. Here I just put where clause, where. Suppose I want to remove all the female records from the table. So what will be the condition? Female, male and female, it is there in the gender column, right? So where gender equal to inverted comma F. Records that are related with female candidate are removed from the table if you execute this command. और F की जगह M कर दो तो क्या होगा? Male records are deleted. वापस बता रहा हूँ, you cannot recover the record once you delete the record from the table. Clear? So it is the update command to modify the record. It is the delete command to remove the record from the table. Clear on? Thank you.